Hey Jen, I just wanted to let you know what the changes that I would recommend would be for your folder structure if you were to allow me to continue working on this. So right now this is the folder structure that we're at, where we have the delete me suggestions, the personal photos and some subfolders, and then the tech girl Jen content. And I just think that some of these folder quantities are a little bit overwhelming for anything that's over 100 photos or 100 files. I would just not really recommend that because it's not an ideal situation to be able to view everything in one page. And so if you go to something that has a lot of images, such as app icons, it doesn't even display everything on one page. It's just a never ending scroll where it's slowly loading files. And if I go Control A, it's only selecting 510, but I have to keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling to realize I didn't even select everything. That is why I don't like this. That was one of the examples of something that I wanted to break down. And instead of app icons, I was going to change it to call it icons, and then apps originals, apps customized, cartoons. So right now there was cartoon icons, as well as a separate folder which would be located here, and I wanted to make that a subfolder basically for the icons as a main folder. Now another folder that I wanted to create was for Gmail, because I did see that there was a lot of Gmail hacks, videos, tips and tricks, and break down the iPhone folder into the accessories, the iPhone apps and iPhone settings, but not related to security, online and safety, because I did think that that's like a good folder to create as well, since I did see that there was a lot of that. And maybe organization and automations. I also wanted to figure out what's going on with your uploads and why they're not all uploading, because I know that you mentioned that you have more contents than this that exists on your iPhone, and I wanted to know if it's because you're duplicating from your old devices to your new devices for iCloud, or if it's something different. Because if we add up the total quantity of files that have uploaded to OneDrive, it's only 3,103, including the stuff that I didn't organize. And if I were to be organizing these as well, I don't see the purpose in opening up one folder that's got one file after another folder that's got one file after another folder. I'm not even that much of a fan of the years of way of organizing. I take these photos and these photos and merge them into like family photos, for example, for those, this one, those. Maybe that would be actually a really good one for your selfies folder that I said that I created to be able to have a place to go to create your um like banners and stuff like that for your social media content. I do want to ask you what the that you were advertising that you wanted somebody to do organization for you, or a somebody to help you organize things, and that's absolutely my get down. I just wanted to know more information about it.